just a snapshot of some sort of the very, very beautiful evening with endlessly blue sky and the sun setting and rising, as you see some of its glow. For me, it's a reminder of someone very dear to me. So I might will share on this video one day. And it's also an insane reminder of God, of who He is. And lastly, I might not know that much of like some deeply profound personal info on Him, but He truly is God, and He is God, and that's kind of sufficient knowledge. Okay, one more time, just breathe this beauty in and kinda have this with you. But that's my intention. For you to have this with you, this feeling of green grass and plants, trees and bushes, and the skyline, and some clouds lit by the sunset. Sunset. I personally right now have very bad day, and this beauty does not um, eliminate anything what's off in my life, and I do not try to convert you in some, I don't know, positive denial. And if you have great day, this message still stands. This message of life stands either way, if you have bad day or good day, whatever the case might be. But God and the life the vastness of reality and its spiritual side. By the way, people like sometimes talk about spirituality as some separate thing, and it's kind of misleading because the spiritual part is very much intertwined within all the other parts. So, still, God and life and the vastness of reality, those things are true today and yesterday and tomorrow and forever. And I don't want you to kind of forget of your challenges, of your victories. I just want you to remember, yeah, this simple notion of I guess where you are invited to, just like Nickelback sings, may have some great songs, some awful ones too, but they have two very profound, one of which is coming down, and I love to quote almost any part of that song, and one which is pretty fit yet to quote is, if we find the light, we can make our ways back home. Actually, he also sings, if we can find the light, we find the light, come on. And it's also truthful. Sometimes you cannot even articulate and now all that truthfulness, you just cling to the reliability of a truth. And that's it, that's enough, that's more than enough. So yeah, have a blessed day, and yeah, attend to your soul. Help God to keep it alive, and see ya.